Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Citroen DS3. So what we need to do, you've got menu over here, we go to menu and then you navigate to the Bluetooth setting. So over to the Bluetooth setting, click OK in the middle, Bluetooth configurations, click OK. Connect, disconnect and equipment, consult the paired equipment, delete a paired equipment. So we want to delete, so we go down to delete, highlight that, click OK. Barry's iPhone 13, I want to delete that, so I click OK. And again, you're on yes. If you've made a mistake, you just click the sideways arrow to no, but that's okay, so yes, we want to delete that. Deletion completed. I'll just show you again. We go to menu, we highlight the Bluetooth, we click OK. Bluetooth configuration highlighted, yes, click OK again, and then you navigate to delete a paired equipment. So delete paired equipment, and we want to delete number 2. We highlight number 2 there, click OK. Yes is highlighted. If it's not, you just click the sideways arrow until it is, click OK. Deletion completed. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.